Clips, the home of scroll-stopping and FOMO-generating video posts. Scale your photos, videos, even text content, or repurpose old videos. Sprinkle the pixie dust and receive a video that thrills, wows, motivates, impresses, relates, engages, converts. Clips. Make popping out 3D characters, animated 3D objects. This is the must-have tool for marketers, video creators, advertisers, e-com sellers, bloggers, consultants, freelancers, professionals, wellness gurus, t-shirt sellers, or even a meme marketer. Making scroll-stopping videos or ads is easy and extremely simple, even if you haven't done it before, using our inbuilt library of amazing, breathtaking 3D characters and objects which are created and animated by a 3D modeling guru. So, what are you waiting for? Just secure your account for this special price without any additional charges during this special charter launch. You can rest assured that your purchase is covered with a 30 days money-back guarantee. Team Fomo Clips is waiting for you inside the dashboard.